Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do a bit of a what's on the bench video because we've got an awful lot on the bench at the moment. With my trip to America coming up, I've got a lot of American knives that I'm trying to get finished. Okay, to start with, we got the giveaway knives. These three here. This one is Vonnie's chef's knife. We have Sherry's paring knife. And we have Laurie's butcher's knife. Of those are done. This one still needs a sheath and a sharpen. They don't get sharpened until they've got a sheath for me. This one here is for Australia. This is for Karen from Yes Yippee. That's her YouTube channel. So she ordered that one because she didn't win on the giveaway. All right, next up we've got this one for Doug at His Way Homestead. That's a butcher's knife. He wants that for processing his hogs, and a friend of both of ours has generously paid for that for Doug. Moving down, we have another butcher's knife. This one is for Jake at Nunya, Texas in the back 20. Jake is one awesome customer of mine. He got 3 knives off me last time, including the knives for the boys at Lazy Pond, another one that was for him and he gave away. So this butcher's knife I am giving to Jake, and he better not give it away. We've also got the 3 bushcraft knives. He's saying he's keeping one of those and giving the other 2 away. We'll see. Knowing Jake, he's going to give it away. All right. As we get down to the end of the first row here, Darren from Red Silo Homestead sent me a message, and he was chasing some knives. He's after European style chef's knife, which is this one here, and has picked a hue and pine handle for that one, and also 2 Nessmucks, and they have Myrtle Burl for the handle. Gonna try and get them done for when I head over. It's just over 3 weeks until I jump on board the plane, so it might be cutting it tight, but I'll get them done. Back row here. These are some knives that I've made for Terrie to sell. Terrie's buying her first car, so the thing I could do towards it is make some knives and she can sell some. There's also some that we'll give away when I'm over. Just gifts to friends and that sort of thing. So we have 3 cheese cleavers, 2 with the exact same micarta handle as Laurie's knife, and 1 with a little timber handle. We've got a little sharp finger, which is the same as the one I made for Shane and also the boys from Lazy Pond. This one's got a joined timber handle, and over the back there we have a little hunting knife, again with a joined timber handle. That's got a 3-way joint on it. That one is probably going to be a gift. Next up, we've got a little paring knife and a petite santuku. I'm probably going to use my denim micarta for the handle on those. I do like that on a chef's knife. Little EDC knives. Most of them have got a joined timber handle. That one's got a plain timber handle. Neck knives, which I've made before, and I made up some red, white and blue micarta. I think that just goes really nice on those neck knives. I've also got some joined timbers, which I'm going to do one of them with a joined timber, but haven't picked which joined timber yet, so there's still a decision in the works. Last up here, little recurve hunter. I'm thinking it may get this joined timber, either that or in the red, white and blue. I have done the red, white and blue on one before. It comes up pretty. Yeah, I'm just not 100% sure. Tomorrow I'll make a choice as I'm making them. Because I've got so many knives, I'm gonna try and send these ones for Terrie to sell, well, at least those ones, across in mail. I've got 26 knives. I do not think that customs will be too happy with me if they have a look in my bag and find 26 knives. All right, so there we go. That's what's on the bench. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.